Right, we left our
See, you're
hotel.
moving the camera too, right?
Left our hotel.
But when I do it, it's a
Now
problem.
we at the beach.
This is Atlantic City.
She's never happy.
This is Atlantic City.
From after this, we're gonna go to the indoor water park, which is closed right now. But this is the view from my room. Somewhere over there. This is the view we get.
Why is there already sand in my slippers? The sand's gray. Dad, you heard the sand's gray. That's something different.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that.
The sand's not supposed to be gray.
Oh, me and my yeah.
By the way, guys, my dad copied my idea to do a room tour video of the Atlantic City hotel room.
Unfortunately, I can't get in the water
Because your religion.
for reasons I will not say. But I can let it hit my feet. I just can't go into the ocean. My other son, big boy Eli. They go nephew. Woo, cold. It's cold.
The water's cool. Seagull. It's got a metal wire.
Ah, damn, it got something stuck. Oh, it got a worm. No, it got the worm. No, yeah, that's like the fishing thing. Man, I don't know. I'm from Brooklyn. Is it stuck to you? Nah, I don't think it's stuck. Bro, is it stuck to your mouth? Can I help you? Damn, it's mad big. I ain't fucking- I'm sorry, nature. Damn, I feel bad. Sorry, buddy.